Today, let's explain our rookie wheel digging. About the operation panel. Instructions for using the above 3 function buttons. These 3 operation buttons. One is the parking switch. Then one is the lock control of the balance cylinder. Another one is the lock control of the 4-wheel brake. Fire the car first. Now we can see. There are also 3 corresponding icons on the meter. One is for parking. One is a 4-wheel brake. Another one is a balance cylinder. All 3 functions have status displays. Now he's gray. Indicates he didn't T-start. Then we press this operation button. Now this P it lights up. With this parking mode, it lights up. It means it's in parking mode. Then this parking mode case. We're not going to operate this vehicle. The rotation of this car. This will cause damage to one of the parking friction plates. It may cause it to be damaged. Then we are now lifting. After lifting, you can see it, but this one doesn't light up. Exit parking mode. And this is a switch for us to balance the cylinder. Its icon is here. This green indicates that it is not in a locked state now. Then let's press this button. When you press it, it turns yellow. Indicates that it has now entered the locked state. Press back into gear, and it's out. Then this 4-wheel brake is the same. After the 4-wheel brake switch is pressed, it starts on for brakes. The 4-wheel brake is locked. Then press back to the middle gear. Then it's lifted. Then the new model of our country Ford. It can go through this handle empty. The button above to control 4-wheel brake and balance cylinder. It can make a quick switch. Then we can now to see that it is not in this bump state. We control it with this, and it won't move. Now we switch it to automatic state. It's this switch. The rocker switch has 3 gears. Now it's in the middle. We're going to put it into this automatic mode. Now we can get through it. Press the shortcut button to control the 4-wheel brakes and balance cylinder locking. It's locked now. Both are in locked state. Then click this. Now is the time to unlock. Press again. Both balance cylinders and 4-wheel brakes are locked. This is when we do homework. Need to use this function quickly. You can cut it to automatic control. Then pass on the handle to make a quick switch to it. Now locked and pressed again. Both of them will unlock. Press again to enter the locked state. If you don't need to pass the handle on, if this button is used to control it, just exit the auto file. You can still pass the rocker switch, the above one to control. Exit this, and it will no longer be controlled by the button. Then this automatic mode. It has 2 different functions. For example, you put the button of the balance bar separately. Connect to automatic mode. It cannot go to the balance bar alone. This is through the handle. This function cannot be controlled alone. But the function of the 4-wheel brake is okay. dance with the four-wheel brake alone. Switch to this automatic control mode. You can see that it is now unlocked. Let's press this button. It can control this four-wheel brake separately. Press it again to disarm. That's the basic functionality.